Giuseppe Maria Crespi was born March 14, 1665, died July 16, 1747, nicknamed Lo Spagnuolo, was an Italian late Baroque painter of the Bolognese School. His eclectic output includes religious paintings and portraits, but he is now most famous for his genre paintings. Giuseppe Crespi, together with Giambattista Pittoni, Giovan Battista Tiepolo, Giovan Battista Piazzetta, Canaletto and Francesco Guardi forms the traditional Great Old Masters painters of that period. One celebrated series of canvases, the Seven Sacraments, was painted around 1712, and now hangs in the Gemäldegalerie Alte Meister, Dresden. It was originally completed for Cardinal Pietro Ottoboni in Rome, and upon his death passed to the Elector of Saxony. These imposing works are painted with a loose brushstroke, but still maintain a sober piety, making no use of hieratic symbols such as saints and putti. They utilize commonplace folk to illustrate sacramental activity. Crespi is best known today as one of the main proponents of Baroque genre painting in Italy. Italians, until the 17th century, had paid little attention to such themes, concentrating mainly on grander images from religion, mythology, and history, as well as portraiture of the mighty. He painted many kitchen scenes and other domestic subjects. The painting of the Flea depicts a young woman readying for sleep and supposedly grooming for a nagging pest on her person.